Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you unblock someone on your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unblock someone on Google Chat, you just simply have to open your chat application, and after opening the chat application, you will get to see this homepage. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into three vertical lines, and after tapping in there, you will get the option of settings. Tap into that option, and after going into there, you will get to see this manage blocked users in chat option. Tap in there, and then after tapping into manage block list, you'll be sent to your browser. Now after I logged in my account, this will show me all of the blocked users into my Google Chat. Now, in order to unblock, I just simply have to tap into this cancel button, and after tapping into there, the person will be unblocked who you want to unblock. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.